Hey everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. We have date night tomorrow night on Facebook on Miss Rita to the Rescue, and we are going to be doing shaker cards. Shaker cards, do you know what they are? They are little like sort of snow globe cards where you sandwich glitter, or you can do snow, or even these cutouts into your card, and it really creates this really adorable card. Here are a couple of designs that I put together, and I'm going to give you those designs, and we're going to walk you through these 3 cards probably, and one more as well that I am busy designing right now. So you're not going to want to miss Cricut date night on Saturday. It is at 7 o'clock Eastern time here on Facebook, Miss Rita to the Rescue page. Now remember, Facebook did make some changes, and if you were following but you're not getting notifications, go back to the Miss Rita to the Rescue page and make sure you click on following so you'll get notification. But otherwise, I'll meet you here at 7 o'clock tomorrow night, and we're going to be making these really gorgeous shaker cards. You don't need much to do these. You use your cardstock, maybe a little bit of glitter, and if you have little glitter bits left over from our snow globes, or maybe some snow left over, here's a great opportunity to use those things too. All right, I hope I see you tomorrow night for Cricut date night, and meanwhile I'll be working on these. Talk to you soon.